Hello everybody and welcome back. We're going to be working on our multiplication facts. So the very first thing I'd like you to do is to write out your 3s, your 4s, and your 6s. We don't need to do our 2s and 5s anymore because I think you've learned them by now. So I'm going to give you a minute. I'd like you to write out your 3s, your 4s, and your 6s. If you need to, feel free to use the chant. And if you don't remember them, you can look at the screen as I write them. On your mark, get set, go. I'm not quite finished, so feel free to go ahead and finish yours if you haven't already. Sometimes it's not even enough time for me. And if you're not finished, you just keep copying until you are. All right, I'm going to chant the 3s twice. Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 more, 18, 21, 24 score. 27, 30, almost done. 33, 36, counting 3s is fun. One more as I erase it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 more. 18, 21, 24 score. 27, 30, almost done. 33, 36, counting 3s is fun. Now our 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, hey. 20, 24, 28, okay. 32, 36, 40, that's right. 44, 48, we're counting 4s all night. 4, 8, 12, 16, hey. 20, 24, 28, okay. 32, 36, 40, that's right. 44, 48, we're counting 4s all night. 6s. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, nerdy. 54, 60, now don't laugh, haha. 66, 72, we're great at 6s math. One last time as I erase it. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, nerdy. 54, 60, now don't laugh, haha. 66, 72, we're great at 6s math. Nice job. The next one we're going to do is the 7s. Okay, so this is the first part of the chant. 7, 14, 21 now. 7, 14, 21 now. The next part. 28, 35, please don't have a cow, moo. 7, 14, 21 now. 28, 35, please don't have a cow, moo. 42, 49, next is the fave. 42, 49, next is the fave. 56, 63, 70, wave. 77, 84, finally we're done. Skip counting 7s is really lots of fun. All right, whenever I erase my board, I'm going to chant this, okay? So you can start to memorize it. What I'd like you to do right now is to copy it one time. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to do that, and as you do it, I'm going to chant it. On your mark, get set, go. 7, 14, 21 now. 28, 35, please don't have a cow, moo. 42, 49, next is the fave. 56, 63, 70, wave. 77, 84, finally we're done. Skip counting 7s is really lots of fun. Nice job. I'm going to chant it one more time as I erase it. 7, 14, 21 now. 28, 35, please don't have a cow, moo. 42, 49, next is the fave. 56, 63, 70, wave. 77, 84, finally we're done. Skip counting 7s is really lots of fun. Nice job, everybody. What I'm going to do is give you a 4-digit number. We're going to be multiplying by 6 today. And I'm going to give you a minute to answer this question. All right, here we go. Don't forget to make your box to write out 1,496 in expanded form. And go ahead and solve this problem. On your mark, get set, go. If you're not finished with it, feel free to continue. I'm going to go ahead and start solving it. 6 times 1 is 6. Add my 3 zeros. 6 times 4, 6, 12, 18, 24. I'm going to put down 24 and add 2 zeros. 6 times 9, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 30, 54. I'm going to add on my 0, and then 6 times 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Nice job. Now I'm going to add this up, and when I do, I need to make sure all my numbers line up on the left-hand side. So if you need to write draw a line there, you can. Sometimes it helps to write the numbers backward. That way you know they're all lined up. This is the biggest mistake that a lot of kids make, and it's really hard to do, especially if you're not really good at lining things up and seeing how they all go together. All right. 6 plus all those zeros is 6. 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8. My answer is, can you read that number? 8,976. Nice job. Go ahead and check your work. And as I erase, I'm going to be chanting the 7s. Okay? All right. 7, 14, 21 now. 28, 35, please don't have a cow. Move. 42, 49, next is the fave. 56, 63, 70, wave. 77, 84, finally we're done. Skip counting 7s is really lots of fun. 7, 14, 21 now. 28, 35, please don't have a cow. Move. 42, 49, next is the fave. 56, 63, 70, wave. 77, 84, finally we're done. Skip counting 7s is really lots of fun. Nice job. All right, the next thing I'd like you to do, can you read this number? This number is written in expanded form. Can you read this number? This says 129,750. 129,750. Nice job. The next thing I'd like you to do is to write this number in expanded form. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Remember, you have to write each individual digit. So the 1 will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros behind it. And if you're not sure where to put the comma, start from the back and count over 3. 1, 2, 3. 100,000 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. plus 9,000. There's 3 numbers behind 9. Plus 700 plus 50. Nice job. Go ahead and check your work. Excellent. All right, I'm going to chant 7, 14, 21 now. 28, 35. Please don't have a cow. Move. 42, 49. Next is the fave. 56, 63, 70. Wave. 77, 84. Finally, we're done. Skip counting sevens is really lots of fun. Nice job. The very next thing we're going to do is some mixed numbers. Here we go. I'm going to give you 3 and 2/5. I would like you to draw a picture of this and put it on a number line. On your mark, get set, go. Go ahead and keep working. I know I need 4 fraction bars because I need 3 for the 3 and 1 for the 2/5. To show the 3 holes, I need to color in everything in 1, everything in 2, and everything in 3. All of these have fifths to them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They all have to have whatever the denominator is. Here there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I'm only going to color in 2 of them because of the 2/5. Nice job. And then on the number line, my first number is 3. My next number is 4. I know I have to make it into fifths, so I'm going to make 4 slices to make 5 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to count over 2. And that's 3 and 2/5. Nice job. Now, let's turn this into an improper fraction. We do that by multiplying 3 times 5. 5, 10, 15, then adding the 2. 16, 17, 17 over 5. Nice job. The very next thing we're going to do is change some mixed numbers into improper fractions. 7, 14, 21 now. 28, 35. Please don't have a cow. Move. 42, 49. Next is the fave. 56, 63, 70. Wave. 77, 84. Finally, we're done. Skip counting sevens is really lots of fun. All right, 2 and 5/7, 3 and 1/4, 9 and 1/3. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go ahead and change all those into improper fractions. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. We're going to do 2 times 7. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And then count on the 5. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I have 19 over 7. Nice job. Here I've got 3 times 4. 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 plus 1, 12, 13 is 13 over 4. Here I've got 9 over 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 more, 18, 21, 24 score, 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. So 28 over 3. Go ahead and check your work. Nice job, everybody. Remember to solve these. We multiply the whole number times the denominator, then we add the numerator. I'm going to go ahead and chant 7, 14, 21 now, 28, 35, please don't have a cow, moo, 42, 49, next is the fave, 56, 63, 70, wave, 77, 84, finally we're done. Skip counting sevens is really lots of fun. Nice job. The very next thing we're going to do is going to do our improper fraction into a mixed number. We're going to do this one together, and then I'll give you one to do on your own. Here we're going to do 11 divided by 3. We need to count by 3 up to 11 without going over. So you can either chant it or write it out. I'll do both to show you. You can do 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 is too high, or 3, 6, 9. We know that it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3 will go on top. Then we're going to multiply 3 times 3. Okay? You may already know that it's 9. And that's going to be what we subtract. We have 11 minus 9. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Our answer is 2. So it's 3 and our fraction is 2/3. Nice job. Here's your next one. We have 26 over 5. I'd like you to go ahead and divide that and solve that yourself. I'm going to give you a minute. Go ahead and do so. Do your best. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Here we go. Let's count by 5s up to 26. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 is too high. I can write it out too. You don't have to do both. You can just pick one. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That goes on top. 5 times 5 equals 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Then I'm going to subtract 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is 0, so I don't have to worry about that. It's 5 and 1/5. Nice job, everybody. All right, I'm going to chant as I erase my board. 7, 14, 21 now. 28, 35, please don't have a cow. Moo, 42, 49, next is the fave. 56, 63, 70, wave. 77, 84, finally we're done. Skip counting sevens is really lots of fun. All right, the very next thing we're going to do is learn something new. Okay? What we're learning today are called decimals. Decimals are another way of writing fractions. And the very easy way that most people know about decimals is money. So if I were to write this right here, most everybody watching this would know that that says $3.48. Okay? But we don't use decimals just for money. We use decimals for a lot of things. For measuring how high you are, how heavy you are, how much of an amount we need. Okay? We use it when we fill things like water bottles and soap dishes and all kinds of things. Okay? So what this means is that anything, this right here is your whole number, $3. Anything on the right-hand side is considered less than 1. Decimals are all going to be less than 1. Okay? So that means that they're just like fractions, and you can make fractions with decimals, okay? Now, we know that in this number right here, 7, this is the ones column. The decimal is going to go to the right of the ones. There are 3 place values that we will learn. The first one is called the tenths. When you write the word 10, you have T-E-N. When you put the T-H at the end, that makes it the place value behind the decimal, tenths. We know that it's tenths because every fraction here will have a 10 under it. 1 0, 1 place value. The next one after the tenths is the hundredths. It's just like hundred, but you add the TH. Hundredths. Okay? Every fraction here will have a 100 under it. There's 2 zeros. It's the second place value. 1, 2. Okay? Finally, we have tenths, hundredths. I'm sure you could guess what this one would be. This is the third place value, so it has 3 zeros. So it's the third place value. This is the thousandths. It's 1,000 with the TH on it. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a few of these to read. Okay? So the very first thing you need to know how to do is read them and recognize what place value they really are in. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a little chart up here. This is tenths. This is hundredths. This is thousandths. Now, there's a big old decimal right here. When we see the decimal, we say and. So let me give you an example. This is 7 and 4 tenths. We say tenths because there's only one place value. Here, we'll say 7 and 4 hundredths because there's 2 place values. Here, we'll say 7 and 4 thousandths because there's 3 place values. So however many place values there are, pretend that's the number of zeros and you know whether to say tenths, hundredths, or thousandths. We'll do just a few more. Say this, you say this, you say this. 4 and 16 hundredths because there's 2 numbers. Nice job. What about this one right here? How would you say this? 6 and 8 tenths. Nice job. When you read this, you're going to say this. You say and here, and then you're going to read this number just like a 3-digit number, but you say the place value after it. 2 and 64 thousandths. If you had something like this, this is a little different. It's still going to be thousandths, but let's read it again. 2 and 640 thousandths. Do you see the difference? It's the difference of like when we write it with thousand. Okay? We're going to read all 3 of these numbers together, just like we do here. Nice job, everybody. That's all we have for today. Thank you so much for your attention. Don't forget there's extra work available after the video. You have a good rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.